Hey guys, good morning. This is Luis with Vidriokar. Today it's a quick video, so we're gonna do a windshield on this Tesla. A little tip: what I do is take the molding from the bottom, and you have a lot of room to fit the line without any risk to cut the pitch wheel. So maybe you guys have already figured out that that's what I do for Teslas. Take this one off on other cars, take this molding, and you're good. Okay, the second one, we make more collection in a 3D fitting lines for your WRD lines this way. Okay, so every time you need your line, of course not, because I'm gonna close the door, but every time you need your cord, fit your system, when you finish, just back inside. So we have more tools, equipment for 3D printer status. So right there, and you can make as many you want. The other one I want to show you is the RINO-CLAMP. You see how strong the magnets are? So I can just get all this stuff from the Tesla and they don't fall. So this way I like it's more professional than just leave the stuff on the ground, because some customers don't like see the parts on the ground scratching. I know, because sometimes they're mad. Okay, so let me start doing the windshield. So I'm gonna pull the glass out now. So also we're testing the pump. I changed the design. Later in another video I'm gonna set up the video with another box. It's different one, more smaller, lighter, and it's better than this box. Okay. Let me just do it back way here. Alright, so let's start here. I'm going to pull a little bit in the bottom. I'm going to just repeat in here. Because I don't have too much angle. So, and the cord I've used is already many times. It's like a 6 times. So I don't want to break the line and refit everything again. So let me just change the angle. And now we have more success on the cat without snap the line. So I've got a strip in here because I have to scan the car. So let's gonna just reattach this guy. Even with this crack, it's gonna set this one on the crack right there. So that's gonna prove the pumps, they're good. All right, let me just get this guy area free. Give me 1 second, guys. Right there. Okay, and remember we have the bracket. I don't know when it's gonna, when my U lock is gonna be here from GTR. I'm just waiting, because it's very difficult to control this guy. Alright, so I think I catch the pitch wheel right there, so because I was protecting, holding this thing, so that's why. Okay guys, so let me just now cut the top and we're finished. Okay, so see you next time for the video. I'm gonna just refit the line. This one was old and I catch the pitch wheel over there, so because I was holding this guy. So I hope it's gonna be here soon, because I really need this one. No, when I'm gonna go in the next body shop, I'm gonna just add a little piece right here, a little screw or bolt. I'm gonna let the guy solder in here, and I can just hold this guy right here. So I'm gonna go next time, because I'm just waiting for GTR tools, but they're taking a little longer to drop the delivery to me. Okay guys, so I'm gonna cut the video here. So this video was just to show you the RINO-CLAMPs, the lines for the P8 or the WRD lines, the KEEPEER lines, and the tip for the bottom. And soon I finish this one, I'm gonna use the quick set or something else, and we finish. And the pump I will show you. Okay, but bad luck, my light is snapped. So I'm gonna refit it, and I don't want to get you guys here for more time, so you know how it's gonna finish. Good install, good job. See you next time. Thank you.